What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to use a public figure's face or any person's face from your image to use as a reference for your generations on Leonardo.ai. So here I have Leonardo.ai homepage opened and I'm signed in with my account. To do so, you'll need to go to the menu on the left here, AI image generation. So click on it. And from here, you want to scroll down also to the tab on the left, and you want to select image prompt. So image prompt, what it does is that it allows you to upload an image or drag and drop it here and use it as a reference to your generation. So here I have on my desktop, I have a person's image of a girl that I want to use as a reference. So I'll just drag it and drop it here. And once it uploads, we can continue using it as a reference. So it already uploaded. Here, the image weight, if you wanna like keep the face of the girl, you wanna increase the image weight. And what it does is that it increases how much your generations take reference to this image. So that means the more the image weight, the more your generations will resemble the reference photo. So let's bump it up all the way to 1 and then enter our prompt. So armored warrior. Okay, and then you can also edit the rest of the settings up top. So you want to use 4 images, or you want to generate 4 images, then click generate. And for the model, I use the default option, that's the Leonardo diffusion. Okay, it generated the images, and as you can see, it might like deviate a bit from the original image. However, you can see here the faces resemble the original image that we chose, especially this one. So you can play with it a bit, so you can like decrease the image weight a bit and then try again till you get images that resemble the face in your photo.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.